Most brands are leaving money on the table because they treat SMS just like another sales channel. Here's the truth. SMS just isn't about blasting discounts. It's one of the most powerful ways to build real loyalty and turn first-time buyers into repeat customers. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how we use SMS marketing to create loyal customer base that keeps coming back and how you can apply the same methods starting today. I work with over 100 e-commerce brands, helping them not only increase their sales, but also grow stronger customer relationships through smart retention strategies. Here's what we'll cover step by step, because just knowing these strategies isn't enough. The real power comes from putting them together into a system that's tailored to your brand and your customer. If you want help building that kind of SMS marketing, click the link below and book a free call with me today. Once you do that, check out this video on how we got 50% repeat purchase rate. SMS isn't just emails, letter, butter, right? It's a completely different beast that, when done right, can create a kind of customer loyalty that makes your business pretty much recession proof. So why is email different from email and social media? So here's what most brands don't understand. SMS isn't just another marketing channel. It's the most personal, immediate, and also the most intimate way to communicate with your customers. When someone gives you their phone number, right? Phone number 312XXX, whatever. They're giving you access to their pocket pretty much, right? It's scarce real estate. Your SMS lands right next to messages from mom, from dad, from brother, their friends, their doctor, right? SMS marketing is not a privilege you take lightly. The stat says here, right? 98% open rates from any SMS flow campaigns compared to emails 40, 50, 60%. Also, emails get read within 3 minutes on average, compared to emails 6+ hours. And here's what's really interesting. SMS drives 40% higher conversion rates than email when used correctly. So here's what most brands screw up. They treat SMS like email. They blast promotional messages, long paragraphs. They don't personalize their SMS. And that's honestly not SMS. That's spamming SMS. SMS works because it's immediate, personal, and also conversational. So when you nail these 3 elements, you don't just get sales, you also get the loyalty that it comes with it. So for SMS, we like to use those for more product launches, announcements, or anything else that's super important and also time sensitive. So here's how to collect numbers the right way. So most brands are pretty terrible at SMS opt-ins, I'll be honest. They either don't ask for it or they ask in a way that feels pushy and also desperate. Here's the psychology. People are actually more protective of their phone numbers. You can't just ask for it. You have to earn the customer's SMS with value that's equal to that exchange. The wrong way to do it, but I see a lot of brands do this, is that they just ask customers to enter their phone number for updates. Nobody really wants updates. The right way to do this is to have them exchange your SMS for exclusive SMS deals or just be the first to know about restocks. Now you're offering value as a brand. Here's the opt-in strategies that actually work. First, the checkout opt-in. So this is probably one of your highest converting opportunities because people are already in buying mode, right? You offer them the SMS update about your order in the checkout phase on your Shopify checkout page. So make sure you're offering that to your customer in the checkout phase. And if you don't know what I'm talking about, just search up SMS opt-in checkout in Shopify. Second, the exit intent pop-up. So when someone's about to leave your site, offer them something valuable via SMS. Get 15% off your first order for your SMS number. Third, the post-purchase flow. So after when someone buys, they're in a good mood and they trust you, we want to offer them a chance to sign up for the VIP SMS list. We want to give them a choice to join the VIP SMS list. Offer them things like be the first to know about restocks and exclusive deals. Fourth, the email to SMS bridge. So this is a pretty obvious one, but not a lot of people think about it, is to use your email list to promote your SMS list. You want faster updates or exclusive SMS deals? Text join to X number. You can do this on Klaviyo settings. Here's something to note. You always want to be clear about what they're signing up for, right? You want to tell them, hey, join our SMS list for deals, restocks, and exclusive content. You don't want to spam them. You don't want to hard sell them through SMS either. Next, you want to set up automated flows and have SMS in it. So this is where SMS becomes a loyalty building machine instead of just a sales channel. Automated flows let you personalize conversations at scale. So here's the SMS flow framework we follow. So in a welcome flow, your first message for your SMS will obviously be welcoming to the brand and offering them that intro offer, right? 15% off, welcome 15, here's a CTA or here's a link to use it. Message 2, we can always ask them, how's your experience with X brand so far? Kind of show them where the bestseller links are. Message 3, we can remind them about that 15% off. And, if you got the margins for your business, you can actually increase this offer and also give some urgency to it, right? 24 hours left to use it. Sending the right type of content. So, one of the biggest mistakes with SMS that I see is that people use it the same as email when it's not. Some value-driven content that you can include in your SMS is restart notifications, behind-the-scene content, or even some customer spotlights. But most of your content for SMS should be about new product launches, any flash sales you guys have, and then of course, abandonment flows, right? Personalization that actually makes people feel valued. Generic SMS kills loyalty. Sending a customer something like, hey name, here's 20% off, doesn't really build relationships. Real personalization goes above using someone's first name, right? It's about using their behaviors, the product that they're using, the preferences, purchase history to make a message feel relevant. So this is how we personalize SMS. So for purchase-based personalization in Klaviyo, you can say, hey Sarah, your usual product, X product, use a dynamic field is 20% off today. Behavior-based personalization. Notice you've been browsing our new collection. Here's early access, or here's 10% off to make the decision easier. Behavior-based personalization. Then we have lifecycle personalization. Happy 1 year anniversary as a customers. Here is a special deal for you. 10% off 1 year. How you get the 1 year? You ask the customer for it, whether that's on a pop-up or an email. And then we have geographic personalization, right? Like, hey, Chicago, or hey, name, notice you're in Chicago. We have local pickup available for your product. But here's a more advanced move, right? Use your dynamic personalization based on real-time data. If someone bought a camera, what do they need to use a camera? Accessories. So your next SMS might be about camera accessories. Or if someone bought some skincare, we know they have a skin condition. So what else can we cross-sell or upsell them? So your next message for them will be about dry skin specifically. Building a two-way conversation with customers. So something that's really powerful about SMS is that it's so powerful for loyalty building because unlike email, SMS is naturally conversation, all right? People expect a reply. Most brands are scared of SMS replies because they think that means more work for them. Replies are actually golden because they're engaging, first of all, there's feedback, and then there's relation building opportunity all in one. So here's how to encourage and handle two-way conversations, right? Ask questions in your SMS flows. What's your biggest skincare challenges, or what products should we restock first? Then respond to replies personally when possible. Even a simple thank you builds connection that email can't. And of course, you can always use replies for customer service, having issues with your order, reply here and we'll fix it. Create some SMS exclusive flows and surveys, right? Which, as your customers, which collection should we draw first? Reply X for X or Y for that. So measuring results and improving over time. So you can't improve what you don't measure. I always say that. Most brands look at SMS metrics all wrong. Here are the SMS metrics that matter for your brand. How many people are joining your SMS list via pop-up, checkout page, etc. Engagement, right? Conversion rate, how many SMS recipients are actually making purchases. And churn rate, how many people are opting out of your SMS list. Here's some advanced tactic that separates good SMS marketing from great SMS marketing. SMS exclusive offers or products. Early access. You want to make sure SMS subscribers feel special with products they can't get anywhere else. We have birthday and anniversary campaign. So use the personal dates to create emotional connection and drive purchase. Whether that's their first anniversary purchase with the brand, or if you're able to get the birthday from, pop up, or just somehow gather that data, use that to your advantage. And we have abandonment SMS, right? If someone doesn't view a product but doesn't enter cart, you want to send an SMS to them for that specific product. Cross-channel coordination. This is my favorite because SMS can be used to amplify your email campaigns. So the bottom line here is that SMS marketing isn't about just blasting those discounts, right? It's about building genuine relationships with your most engaged customers through personal, immediate, and valuable communication. So when you do get SMS right, of course, you don't increase just sales. You create a loyal customer base that chooses you over competitors. They help you refer friends, and they stick with you long term as well. The brands that understand this are building SMS lists of thousands of engaged customers who generate about 40 to 60% higher lifetime value than email only customers. And the strategies I've shared with you today, are theoretical. They're the exact systems we use to build loyal customer bases for our clients through SMS marketing. To recap, we want to start with value-focused opt-ins and conversational welcome flows. Then layer on personalization, two-way conversations, and strategical content mixing. Each element builds on others to create an SMS experience that customers actually look forward to, not just replying to words stop or unsubscribing. So again, remember, in a world of crowded inboxes and algorithm changes, SMS gives you direct access to your customers in their most personal space. There's text messages on their phone. Use that privilege wisely, and you'll build your brand's retention and loyalty that lasts.